Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on, Levi Apparel? I'm outside, sun's in my eyes, so I gotta squint. You feel me? Anyways, anyways, I'm out here. I'm about to go inside the shop, get it ready for some videos I'm doing, and yeah, pretty much it. Pretty much it. So can't wait, can't wait. But yeah, I got some stuff I gotta talk to you about, shop stuff. Let me get inside because I'm squinting too much. Give me a second. Whew, no more squinting. Sir, lights on. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's find a place for you real quick. Bam, there it is. There it is. We're gonna talk shop as I get things ready. All right, so it's a chilly day today. Oh man, it's a chilly day today. I gotta start the live pretty soon, but and then give you guys update on the update series and what's going on. So this is just shop talk. When you get your shop, make sure you insulate the shop. Installations in there, installations even the wall. So in the actual office area that I set up, I have insulation on the wall to the studio, on the wall to the office section, in the office section another insulation. Now, why so much insulation? Where I'm at is cold. Like today is cold. Yikes, it's cold. So, when it's cold, I get sleepy. All right, so luckily I still have propane from last year. Got my propane tank. That's right there on the floor, real quick. That's my propane tank. Let me fix this right back. Wait, did this break? No, it didn't break. All right, cool. So yeah, so that's my propane tank right here. I'm gonna get it started. Um, this baby's nice. It's a laser. Got to change the battery, but it's for when I'm screen printing. When I'm screen printing, I'm setting this up so the laser can be like right about here, and I can just turn it on. That way, I have everything accurate. So can't wait for that to happen. Got that going on. Um, Other than that, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Oh yeah, yeah. So let's get this started. First thing I do is turn on the propane. I have it on. Man, this propane, maybe taking its time. Come on. Man, I know I got propane in here. Like, damn it. What the hell? I guess I got no propane. Oh man, today's a little chilly too. So, come on, baby. Am I completely out? I think I'm out of propane. Yikes. That's been Oh shit! Like, I smell it, so it shouldn't be. Yes, we got heat. We got heat, y'all. Hold on, hold on. I'm so excited. We got heat. Can you see it? Bring it closer. There it is right here. You see the sparks? There it is. All right. All right, cool. So, as that heat up, let me talk a little bit more with you guys. Yeah, so, bam, there we go. Yeah, so get yourself a propane heater. Get yourself a propane heater. This propane heater I have, I love it. The reason why I love it is because if for any reason it tilts, the whole system shuts down. Now, the propane is still gonna be on, so it's gonna dissipate, like throughout the shop, whatever. But let me turn it this way so I can get the studio up. Yeah, so I need the studio to be warmed up, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna see if I can get me a smaller one to put in the the office section. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a small one to put in the office section. Cause I really, really like using the propane. It's really cool. If you guys have a shop and you don't want to use electricity to heat up the shop, you don't have the Mr. Cool, get yourself a propane heater. Now, make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector. I have one. I did a video showing that. I put one in the shop. And yeah, so make sure you have one before you even get the propane heater. It doesn't cost much. Actually, like you can get two for the price of one on Amazon. So yeah. Yeah, man. All right. Oh, and also make sure you get yourself a thermostat. Yeah, that's how cold it is in the shop right now. Make sure you get yourself a thermostat. I have one in the main shop that's behind the camera, one over here. These are magnetic. They're magnetic. So all I did was I went to Home Depot. I purchased one of those things that could like hug the 2x4s. And yeah, she's getting a little warmer in the shop. No, the humidity is increasing. But yeah, so get yourself a Thermal Pro. That's what they call it. Get yourself. Oh man, and it's gone. I got no more propane. The propane is gone. Damn, I thought I had saved enough for. Anyways, out of propane. It is what it is. I gotta go get one. Propane's not much. The big ones is about 30. It's like $36. Is it $36? No, $26. Depending. It might have gone up. It's like $26. Other than that, yeah, I mean it did warm up the shop a little bit. You know what? I'm just gonna throw a hat. Where's my hats? Yeah, I'm just gonna throw a hat. Just wing it. It is what it is. So make sure you have proper insulation for your shop. Make sure you have proper heating. Go to Amazon. Amazon has so many different type of heating setups that you'd be amazed. did they send me? I got this one, I got that one. Alright. Alright. That's pretty much it, guys. Get yourself a propane heater. Wintertime is coming. If you're insulating your shop, make sure you do the walls insulation. Um and hey, if you can put like your electricals outside of your walls, that'd be great. That'd be great because when you're building a shop that's made for like tutorials and stuff like that, and you're doing stuff like I do, sometimes if you want a CNC machine, you're gonna have to drill into the wall and then just put your air vent. So you want to make sure you clear off any electricals. So even if I had to put electricity like wires and stuff like that through here, what I would do is I'd literally get like make it exposed, right? But not the exposed like the wires are out. I put in one of those like metal tubing to have it go around, and in that way it would be exposed but with a good aesthetic, so it doesn't show like it's that bad, right? So yeah, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel shop. Make sure you have propane heater, right? That's the propane heater right here. That propane heater, see the heater and then the propane right there. You unlatch the propane, right? And then you just put another one in it, then turn on the little dial that's like right there, and then you should be good to go, right? All right, cool. So that's pretty much it. So I want to talk about, make sure your studio is properly heated, properly insulated, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, so I gotta get more propane, so I gotta go. All right, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Peace.